Commercial grade, designed to accommodate a single Group 8D battery, including automotive, marine, RV, and other commercial batteries. Rugged design, 4-corner fastening system and captive lid for easy installations, large cable entry holes for large-gauge cables, full flow ventilation for releasing battery gases, and a battery acid reservoir. Designed for rugged environments, impact-resistant down to -40 degrees Fahrenheit, withstands acid, gas, oil, and other contaminants, and immune to UV exposure. Keeps your battery safe, limits water entry, effectively collects battery acid, allows adequate ventilation, and protects against accidental contact of battery terminals. Certified and tested, meets United States Coast Guard, USCG Code of Federal Regulations 183.420 and American Boat and Yacht Council, ABYC, E10.7 specifications. The HM484 Dual 8D commercial battery box is a battery storage solution for sizes Group 8D batteries, including 12/5 marine, RV, boat, and trailer batteries, as well as commercial equipment. It features a 4-corner fastening system and captive lid for easy installations, large cable entry holes for heavy-gauge wires, full-flow ventilation for releasing battery gases, and a large battery acid reservoir. Its rugged, rotationally molded design provides ultimate protection in low-temperature environments and protects against UV, oil, gas and other contaminants. Perfect installation in a boat, camper, motorhome, trailer, or caravan, as well as commercial and generator equipment. Top reviews from the United States. Group 29 batteries from Walmart fit. 3 Group 29 trolling motor batteries from Walmart fit. The dimensions are of the opening at the top which flexes and lets the batteries in. Once in, still room for wiring, foam, and breaker.